This video will focus on neck and back exercises to prevent and correct head-forward posture. For these stretches, you'll need a chair, T3 massager, neck restore, foam roller, TeeterBell, and Teeter inversion table. Let's get started with the seated chin glides. Chin glides. Sit on a bench or chair as tall as possible. Use your finger to guide the movement of your chin straight back, keeping your chin parallel to the floor. Try to get your ears over your shoulders and maintain a comfortable range of motion. Keep your mouth closed. Chin forward and chin back. Allow the movement to flow smoothly. Repeat this motion for 30 seconds. Chin nods. Stand against a wall with your back flat. Rotate your thumbs outward and contract your shoulder blade muscles. Tuck your chin and relax. Press your shoulders down, away from the ears. Nod your head by tucking the chin and lengthening the back of your neck. Contract your abs to hold in good posture. Try to keep your head as the only moving part of the body. Keep your mouth closed, your tongue on the roof of your mouth. Repeat 20 times. Trigger point massage. Sit tall in a chair and apply gentle pressure with the pressure point knob on your trapezius muscle between the neck and the shoulder. Feel around and adjust to focus on any tender spots, holding pressure for 20 seconds or until you feel it release. Then switch sides. Neck restore. Position the neck restore behind your neck close to the base of your skull. Let all your neck and shoulder muscles relax. Find the perfect spot where you're comfortably extending your neck and letting the arch work out tense neck muscles. Simply hold this position and relax for 30 seconds while breathing deeply. Then rotate the neck restore to one side to stretch out the side neck muscles. Hold for 30 seconds and rotate to the other side. Foam rolling breathing exercise. Position the foam roller vertically under your back. Place your arms at 90 degrees, stretching your chest muscles. Inhale through your nose for 4 seconds, expanding your belly to the fullest. Exhale for 4 seconds through your mouth, emptying all the air out of your lungs. Repeat 10 times. Foam roll upper back. Position the foam roller across the upper back. Hold your head to help support the upper neck. Slowly roll back and forth over the roller. Contract your abdominal muscles to make sure you don't overarch your lower back. Find any tender spots and work out the muscle tightness. Spend about 60 seconds rolling over your upper back. Farmer carry. Stand as tall as possible, holding the TeeterBell by your side. Let your shoulders relax down. Rotate your thumbs outward and contract your mid-back muscles. Hold this position as you slowly pace the floor. Focus on keeping your body aligned. Each pace should be about 8 steps. Do this 20 times and then switch hands and repeat. Inversion table neck mobilization. At any angle, reach overhead and alternate pulling your head gently from side to side for 10 seconds, elongating the muscles along the neck. Then in full inversion, hang fully relaxed with your arms overhead. Slowly circle your head in one direction, then the other.